What's going on, everybody? It's Xavier with Dropping Juice Consulting. I just wanted to stop by real quick and drop some on y'all. So, if a debt collector is blowing your phone up constantly, you have the power to stop that. Under federal law, 15 USC 1692C, they cannot just call you whenever they feel like it. No calls before 8 a.m., no calls after 9 p.m. And they're not supposed to be calling your job if your job doesn't allow that. Now, here's the part most people don't know. You can just tell them to stop contacting you altogether. All you have to do is send it in writing. It's called a cease communication letter. Once they get that, they have to stop. No more constant calls, no more harassment. Only thing they can do after that is tell you they're done or if they plan on taking legal action. That's it. So understand this. Just because they're calling you does not mean they're allowed to. Know your rights, move smart, and as always, I'm here for y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. Peace.
Dropping, joking, salt, and we apply the pressure. For the people, we move smart.